Hello everyone, welcome to Transportation Engineering Laboratory. Today we will see determination of tripping value by static immersion method and dynamic immersion method as per IS 6241.
Apparatus required: a glass beaker having capacity 500 ml, weighing balance 20 mm and 12.5 mm IS sieve, hot plate, hot water bath, a digital thermometer, measuring cylinder, aggregate sample, and bitumen. Procedure: first, take a clean and dry aggregate. On this aggregate is passing through 20 mm IS sieve and retained on 12.5 mm IS sieve. We can see this sample is retained on 12.5 mm IS sieve. Put the tray on balance and make it zero from tear button. Take 200 gram of aggregate sample retained on 12.5 mm IS sieve and heated up to 150 degrees Celsius. Take 5% of weight of bitumen by the weight of aggregate and heated it up to 160 degrees Celsius. To maintain the temperature at 160 degrees Celsius, aggregate and bitumen are mixed thoroughly to coat aggregate surfaces completely with bitumen. The mixture is transferred to a beaker of capacity 500 ml and allow it to cool for 2 hours at room temperature. After 2 hours, beaker is then filled with distilled water to immerse aggregate and bitumen mix. The beaker is kept in water bath and then covered it at temperature 40 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After 24 hours, beaker is taken out of water bath after 24 hours and cool it to room temperature. The stripping value is estimated by visual examination. The stripping value is expressed as uncovered surface area of aggregate by visual examination. Observation and result. The stripping value is the measure of uncovered area by bitumen. It should not more than 5% because 95% of area of aggregate should be covered by bitumen. Method 2. Determining tripping value of road aggregate by dynamic immersion method. Apparatus required: a film stripping device, circular disc, glass bottles, hot water bath, hot plate, a weighing balance, bitumen, aggregate, and ISU set. Procedure: take ISU set of sizes 10 mm, 2.36 mm lead and pan. These sieves are put one over the other with 2.36 mm sieve at the bottom and 10 mm sieve at the top. Put the tray on balance and make it 0 from tare button. Take the sample retained on 2.36 mm ISU and weight it accurate 240 gram for the test. Switch on the hot plate and set the temperature at 150 degrees Celsius. The aggregate sample is heated up to 150 degrees Celsius. After the aggregate and bitumen are preheated separately, these aggregate and bitumen are mixed thoroughly to coat aggregate surface completely with bitumen. Divide this mixture into 4 equal parts. Transfer this sample to the clean bottles. Then keep these samples in a hot water bath at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius for 15 hours. After 15 hours, remove the specimen and cool them to room temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius. Add 175 ml of the distilled water in each bottle and screw on the cap to the bottle. Place the bottles in the holder of the stripping device and clamp the bottles. Ensure that each bottle protected by the cushion. To start the machine and agitate the mixture for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, to stop the machine and allow the disc to come to rest, and then remove the bottle holders. Estimate by visual observation and percentage strip. Observation and calculations. The mean value of at least 3 visual estimated values being rounded off to the nearest 5%.